Hey, what's up, y'all? So, to start out with, I'm just going to tell you, I had a video shot and edited and ready to go this week, and I didn't like the video. I didn't like what I said. I didn't like the way it looked. I just wasn't happy with it. So, I promised myself I'm never going to put out a video just to put out a video. So, this is going to be a short video this week, just explaining a few things. You know, with work and kids and life stress and the medical stuff I've had going on, man, it's been hard to get content put out there. And I'm not bitching, because there's plenty of people who do have the same things I'm going through and do the same things I'm going through and get videos out. Bikes, Beards, and Brews. I don't know how he does it. He does like 2 or 3 videos a week, and he always has a ton of content, and it's amazing. There are people out there who just do it, and I don't know how they do it. But anyway, I'm just not going to put a video out to put a video out. I do have a quick topic to talk about this week. It's going to be the Honda belly pan and how I think Honda's full of shit for leaving the bottom of their engine exposed. That's pretty stupid. And show you the belly pan. But I want to remind you, on March the 5th, that's the Fighting for Fallon benefit. I will be riding to that benefit. I'm going to put the Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal links up like I always do. Thank you for those who have already donated and those who have shown support. I really appreciate that. March the 5th, we're going to be meeting at 11:15 at the 7-Eleven on the corner of Spencer and Bay Area Boulevard in LaPorte. Kickstand's up 11:30. Going to ride to the benefit. Be there for a few hours. I don't know who all is going to show up. I do know that my good buddy Knuckles from Knuckles TV is going to have some people there with him. He's bringing some people down from the north side. So I appreciate Knuckles, and that's going to be awesome. Hope you enjoy the talk about the belly pan, and man, I appreciate you guys sticking around.
It's a waste of time for me to do an installation vid. I did buy the Wing Stuff belly pan for the 21 Goldwing, and you know, Cruise Man does great install videos, and I've always said I think it's a waste of you guys' time for me to do a crappy install video when you can go watch his, and he's a whole lot better at it than me. But what I do want to tell you is that Wing Stuff has it wrong. Wing Stuff says you cannot use the belly pan on an 18 to 21 Goldwing if you have the Gold Strike highway pegs. That's not true. Let me show you why.
You can see the belly pan right there, and you can see that little bracket in there. And if you look back here, if you look back there, where the bracket holds in place, that bottom bolt, the
bracket will fit behind that bolt, so that what happens is you'll take the bracket out of the highway peg and the little carrier case. Now what sucks about that is you have to do a little more work. You have to take off the fog lamp cover, you have to take off the side cover for the motor, and you have to go in there and loosen that bolt for the highway peg bracket, put the bracket behind it, put the bolt through. The bolt's long enough. Wing Stuff says, oh no, you can't do that. Yeah, you can. You put that bracket behind it, you get enough of the bolt through the bracket and through your bracket for your Gold Strike highway pegs, and then I put a little Loctite on it, blue Loctite, and put it in there, and was able to get the Wing Stuff belly pan on. I know people say, well, why would you put the belly pan on? What's the deal with the belly pan? It's for safety. I've seen like 3 or 4 different guys on the Goldwing forums who have said that they've hit a large rock. There was a guy that hit a big like logging chain, and it hit the bottom of his motor, and man, he had a bad oil leak, had to stop right then. The motor was torn up. I think one of the guys, the insurance totaled the bike because there was that much damage to the motor. If I could spend 150 bucks and save me downtime, I plan on keeping this bike. I'm not getting rid of it. I'd rather spend 150 bucks than have my bike either be down for a long time or be told and have to get another bike. It's just a little peace of mind. It's a thin sheet. It's not heavy, but I think it would take a good enough hit that it wouldn't. I'd rather have that take a hit than I had to take my motor take that hit. So you can use the Wing Stuff belly pan with the Gold Strike highway pegs. Wing Stuff said no, they were wrong. I'm living proof that you can pull that off. But again, the belly pan I think is a good thing. If you have a Goldwing, you don't have a belly pan, you know, that's up to you. Some people don't do it. Some people, you know, they want that extra protection. I had one on my Valkyrie, now I've got one on the Goldwing. So
Hey y'all, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icons to get notifications when the shit show is rolling again, which hopefully will be rolling with the longer video versus this short version of me telling you about how sad and pathetic I am that I can't get videos done. If you have a Honda, a Goldwing, or a Valkyrie, one of the newer Valkyries, not the older gen, get a belly pan so you don't have some shit happen to you where you have catastrophic failure or damage. Hey, thanks for watching. 3,100 subs. You guys just keep subbing and watching me do stupid shit, or not do stupid shit in this case. Hey, by the way, Wind Road Therapy, there's your sticker. I feel bad. I'm gonna have to move one of her stickers down. I love Des, good person. Anyhow, I want you guys to have a great day. Let's try not to be assholes to each other, and I'll see y'all next time.